The most popular Sissy squat bench isn't always the best one for your goals. A lot of people just go for the one with the most reviews or the flashiest design, but when you dig deeper, you realize some are built better, more comfortable, or actually let you train safely. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you the real winners. Product number 1, Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. First up, the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. At $97.54, this isn't branded as a Sissy squat bench specifically, but hear me out. It can absolutely function as one with the right setup. What caught my eye is the 660-pound weight limit and the 84 adjustment combinations. You've got 7 back positions, 4 seat angles, and 3 leg adjustments, which means you can dial in a near-perfect Sissy squat position by setting it to a steep decline. The high-density foam pads are 1.4 inches thick and covered in PU leather, so they're firm but supportive during long sets. It folds down to just 31.5 inches long and weighs 23 pounds, making it easy to slide under a bed or tuck in a corner. Over 10,000 people bought this in the past month, which says something about its reliability. Now here's the thing, some users complain it's not designed for Sissy squats, so your heels might not stay locked in without extra padding or a foot strap. But if you're creative and don't mind a little DIY, this bench gives you insane versatility for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use bench that can double as a Sissy squat station without breaking the bank. Skip it if you want a dedicated, no-fuss Sissy squat experience right out of the box. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Adjustable Bench. Next is the Amazon Basics Adjustable Workout Bench, also priced at $97.54. It looks nearly identical to the Yoleo, and honestly that's because they're probably made in the same factory. But Amazon's version has a simpler adjustment system and slightly less padding. It supports up to 600 pounds, which is still solid for most users, and folds up just as compact. However, the seat and back pads are thinner, around 1 inch, and some taller users report that their knees hit the ground during decline positions, which ruins the Sissy squat form. That's a big deal because proper heel elevation is key. Now, if you're under 510 and just starting out, this might work fine. But if you're serious about Sissy squats, the lack of heel support and limited range could hold you back. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want a basic bench for occasional use. Skip it if you're taller than average or want consistent, deep Sissy squats without modifications. Product number 3, 600 lb Load Adjustable Bench. Coming in at $200.23, this unnamed 600 lb load adjustable bench is a step up in price and build quality. It's heavier, sturdier, and has thicker padding than the budget options. The frame uses reinforced steel joints, and the decline angle goes steeper than most, critical for isolating the quads and glutes in a Sissy squat. But here's the catch, it doesn't come with a heel strap or any built-in foot retention. You'll need to buy one separately or use resistance bands to secure your feet. Also, at 200 plus sold, it's less proven than the top sellers, so long-term durability is still a bit of a question. Still, for the price, the stability and range of motion are impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty bench and don't mind adding a few accessories to make Sissy squats work. Skip it if you want something plug-and-play with zero setup. Product number 4, LINODI Adjustable Weight Bench. At just $84.71, the LINODI bench is the cheapest on this list, and it shows. The padding is thin, the adjustments are clunky, and the frame flexes under heavier loads. That said, it can *do Sissy squats if you're under 180 pounds and careful with your form. The decline goes to about 45 degrees, which is decent, but the footplate is narrow and offers zero heel support. I've seen multiple complaints about the pins loosening mid-workout, which is a safety red flag. If you're just testing the waters with Sissy squats and don't want to invest much, this might be a temporary fix. But if you're serious, this bench won't grow with you. This is perfect for you if you're on a super tight budget and only doing light training. Skip it if you weigh over 180 pounds or want consistent, safe performance. Product number 5, Leica Fitness Sissy Squat Machine. Finally, the Leica Fitness Sissy squat machine at $182.90. This one is actually built asterisk for asterisk Sissy squats. It has a fixed decline angle, a non-slip foot plate, a padded backrest, and an adjustable heel holder that locks your feet in place. No guessing, no slipping, just pure quad and glute isolation. The design accommodates different leg lengths and body types, which is huge for comfort and form. The only downside, it's not versatile. You can't use it for bench presses or rows like the others. But if your goal is mastering Sissy squats, this is the most effective tool here. This is perfect for you if you're focused on leg development and want a dedicated, no-compromise machine. Skip it if you need a multi-purpose bench for full body workouts. So which one should you pick? If you want the best all-around value, the Yolio gives you flexibility and strength. If you're serious about Sissy squats and don't need other exercises, the Leica Fitness machine is the clear winner. The Amazon Basics and LINODI are okay for beginners on a budget, but they come with compromises. And the $200 bench, solid but not essential unless you're maxing out. At the end of the day, the best bench is the one that fits your body, your space, and your goals, not the one with the most stars.